Hello, Bobcats. I'm Fletcher.
And I'm Seth, Fletcher, and welcome back to another episode of The Sage.
On today's show, we'll be checking out a Thanksgiving Man on the Street,
previewing the dance team,
and covering a sports segment,
and a beach City Smoothies package.
Let's roll the intro. Seth, do you know what my favorite thing in the world is?
What is it?
Stuffing an entire turkey with my favorite spices and foods.
Here's a Thanksgiving Man on the Street by Leah, Ertel, and Isabella Bernabeo.
What's up, Bobcats? I'm Isabella Bernabeo, and this past week we had Thanksgiving break. Today we'll be hearing from some of our students and seeing what they were up to this past week. All right, what did you do this past week?
I danced virtually. Don't ask how or why.
Why?
I said don't ask.
I went to Universal Studios.
All right, how was that?
It was good, but I got into a fight with a mom because she was cutting me.
How did that go for you?
It went pretty good. I came out very strong, and I just powered through the rest of the day.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
I did nothing. Sorry.
Actually, wait, no, I went to Disneyland, sorry. So actually, I launched rockets over Thanksgiving break. I'm in a club called Aerospace Club. We launched rockets, super fun. However, my rocket exploded, so like, not a very good day that day.
Rocket went boom.
Rocket went boom.
I got to meet a really good musician, jazz musician. His name is Emmett Cohen.
It was pretty cool. I got a girlfriend. So.
You got a girlfriend over Thanksgiving break?
Yeah, you know.
Come on, we want to hear about it.
She doesn't go to school here, but you know, that's it.
Well, how did this happen?
I asked her to go ice skating, and then we went from there.
I watched the new Wednesday show.
My phone was taken the entire break. It's been taking for a month. So I listened to music on my Chromebook.
I had my wisdom teeth removed actually, so I had to spend the week, recovering from that, and it hurt really badly.
I just watched the World Cup the whole time and hung out with him.
Ham.
How many plates of ham did you eat?
2.
And how are you feeling after that?
I was okay.
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 Please leave now.
Why?
Because this is extremely awkward.
Okay.
All right, that's it for this week, Bobcats. This has been Leah, Ertel, and Isabella Bernabeo reporting for The Sage.
Hey Caleb, how come the turkey didn't eat the dinner? He was already stuffed.
Right. Next up, we have a package about the dance team by Austin Jew.
Yeah, so usually we start our student choreography process in the summer. Ms. Eicher will assign us just about 45 seconds of choreography to come up with. So you pick out music, and at this stage it's very it's in the beginning process, so you don't have to have a full final cut of music or a full piece with formations and layering. It's more just about getting an idea down and what you want to have envisioned.
It's a really enriching activity where these people who are coming in, this is their first opportunity to dance, and this is their first year, their first introduction to dance, to kind of mentor them and help them through that process of the learning curve of learning backstage etiquette and things like that they might not necessarily know coming in.
When we're in the theater, we go in the week of our performance, and the first 2 days we do tech rehearsal, so we do all the lighting for our dances and we run through them and space them on the stage, and then we do a dress rehearsal with our costumes on and lighting so that we get a gist of the whole show, and then we have our 2 shows. As captain of the team, I feel like we're just super close and we spend so much time together that's like a second family to all of us, because we're with each other for multiple hours every week, practicing and having fun and laughing. So it's just like a second family.
It's a really amazing show this year called Tethered. It will premiere on December 1st and 2nd in the Performing Arts Center at 7 p.m. You can buy your tickets at GoFan, or you can go to bit.ly/SC Dance Show. and purchase your tickets there as well.
You know, I've never been much of a good dancer myself.
You're not good at any sports, Seth.
Speaking of sports, here's a sports segment by Juliette Delicio.
Girls basketball season just started. Their most recent home game ended in a win against Tri-City. Player Gia Kiesling explains what key things went into the success.
Playing together, moving the ball. We've been working a lot on our plays, whether it was for zone or man, and just working hard on defense. We were working a lot just to, stay strong together and work together.
This year, we have many talented players, one of which, Josie Buell, a freshman on varsity, explains how being a freshman is a unique experience.
I think it's been a lot of fun, and I thank you. Shout out to Coach Ben for putting me on varsity. It's been a lot of fun and a great experience.
Players are expecting a successful outcome to win league and going to state championships. Josie and Gia share their goals for the team this year.
This season, those flags, there's going to be a girls basketball one up there, and we are going to be the most successful team that Sage Creek has ever seen.
Kind of just to grow as a team, because it's a pretty young team, and just growing together like on and off the court, and also just winning league and hopefully getting far in CIFs.
This has been Juliette Delicio and Samuel Daher reporting for The Sage.
Thanks, Juliette. Next up, we have a package about Beach City Smoothies.
The small smoothie shop we call Beach City Smoothies has been serving astounding community service and a family-like community to Carlsbad Village for 16 years. But these amazing qualities don't just stop at the customers of Carlsbad. It's also intertwined with the employees' core values and motivations.
The work ethic here is amazing. It's a very fast-paced kind of job, so we get really busy, especially in the summer, so we have to be quick on our feet, and when there's not customers, we have to be prepping and making sure we're ready for another rush. So we work really hard, but we also have a little fun, in between, and we just try to keep morale up, and we all get along, so it's really awesome here.
Raina Templeton has been working since November 2006, the opening of Beach City Smoothies, and continues to see the growth of the Carlsbad community. Their overall goal is to create a fun and memorable experience for each and every guest by giving them fast and friendly service and the highest quality, healthy, great-tasting food and beverages.
I think Beach City Smoothies is a good representation of just the vibe in Carlsbad. We're really beachy, healthy, but still super delicious, and we kind of keep it casual here. So we like to kind of keep that surfy, beachy vibe, as well as the community, working with schools and other businesses in Carlsbad.
Beach City is operated by Mary and her friendly and knowledgeable team, who take pride in being the best smoothie shop in Carlsbad. This has been Kerris, Arnett, and Lola Carson for The Sage.
Wow, those smoothies sure look great.
Make sure to check out our articles on thesage.com
and follow our social medias at The Sage Publication. This has been Seth
and Caleb Fletcher reporting for The Sage.